Well, it's truck soup. So the bill's been going pretty good. I got it all knocked down with 80 grit. Went back and wet sanded with 400. Getting ready for my Bondo glaze cut down with the isopropyl alcohol. And hopefully that goes pretty well. I haven't ever cut Bondo glaze before, so I'm not really sure how good that's going to be, but the few videos that I've watched on YouTube that's got a couple of the people, they're not doing RC bodies, but they are doing other prints, and they are cutting the Bondo glaze and just brushing it on, and it seems to dry really fast. So y'all get to see that too, because I want to see if it actually works, because I really hate to have to smear body filler all over this to get rid of all these wrinkles and creases and divots from the wonky file. You know, the file's decent. I mean, you know, for free, it's not bad. You know, I've got a couple ideas for this body here. I like to do maybe another one for something else. It's a secret, so you'll have to stay tuned to check that out. Got the grill knocked down and wet sanded as well. It still has a couple little wrinkles in it from the crazy file. So y'all have to let me know, are y'all working on this same body? You know, where y'all at on that? You know, I did knock out the K5 Blazer emblem, because this is not a K5 anymore, it's a K10. And got the door gaps and everything pretty well rounded, the best that I could, because they were pretty angular, had all these little angles in it. So I got them all gapped up right. The hood's gapped out, like I said, the best I can. You know, the overall file is fighting. I can't wait to actually do a good file that doesn't have all this stuff in it, and start from there, because this thing has been definitely a work to try to get it to at least look halfway decent. You know, I'm not going for a showroom finish. This is just going to be truck soup, and it's going to be a beater. So the paint doesn't have to be spectacular, but I don't want it to be too bad. I really don't know exactly how I'm going to do it. You know, some of my favorite, you know, YouTube creators, you know, do a lot of patina and stuff like that. And so I'll probably go that route. And obviously with the way the file is, it's going to have to be pretty rough anyway. So it will definitely have to look like it just got pulled out of the back East 40, back out of a creek or something, to make some of these imperfections look kind of natural. So that's about it. That's where we're at. And I'm going to get to work on my mixing of the Bondo glaze. We'll talk to y'all later.